Hi, we're at the RO at Towne Place. We're gonna go hiking today, but we're gonna go in here and take a look at the elevator. A friend of my dad's lives here. His name's Ian.
Your call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system. 407267481 is not available. At the tone, please record your message.
And there's the elevator right there.
Here, look, Sean.
What?
See, I call Ian from there. Oh, there it is.
There it is.
I'll show him how it works. Oh.
Thank you. And there's Ian right there.
Did you call the wrong number? I called the wrong one.
Otis Series 5. Otis Series 5.
Otis what?
It's an Otis Series 5.
How do you know?
I can tell by the buttons and the indicator right there. It's just right there. Just a second.
Oh, right there. I didn't even notice that.
Yep, it's and the
It's
button.
a Series 5 though?
Yes, Series 5.
What happened to the Series 4?
Well, I don't know. But
Got superseded by 5.
Now which floor do you live on?
4. Do you want to see his apartment?
Yes.
Okay.
Which
left
one do you?
face.
Which one are you in?
I live in that one right there on the left. Really? The chance your apartment's gonna show up on his YouTube channel.
Your apartment's about to be famous.
Is it?
Yep.
Well, I have to warn you, it's been made famous before. I don't even know what that means. Okay.
We are in apartment 405.
Yep, this is a secret key. Right?
Oh, it's the same lock as the apartment complex in the Amber.
Yep.
This is nice.
It's far more secure. It is. What do you think, Sean?
This is nice.
The one in Amber has
It is the same. It has the same lock as the one in the Amber apartment complex.
Everything else is different. I've been learning how to play piano too.
Let's get a view out the window. Let's get a view out here. There's the pool right there.
Good. The pool, they just opened up the pool Friday? I haven't been out here.
Residents are allowed to swim in the pool again now, but they must follow social distancing.
That's true. So we cannot. This is where it all happens.
Is this where you go to bed? Is this your bed?
Yeah. Get that bed, Sean.
Oh, this is a big bed.
It looks like that. Yeah, it's made for 4 or 5 people, depending upon how the night goes. Sometimes it's filled, sometimes not. All right, let's kick it. And this is Cameron's room.
Cameron's room.
Yep.
Okay.
You reading that traction, bud? Yeah. How is it? I've been tasked with it. Oh, hold up, you guys. Keep the light out. That's bad. All right, should we kick it? This
Yeah.
is my girlfriend. Hold on, I gotta show you something.
Oh.
Maybe it's not working. Something's up with this thing here. What is it?
This is.
Alexa.
Oh, you have an Alexa here? Alexa, Is Alexa broken?
Well, I unplug it sometimes, and for some reason it doesn't want to go on.
Do you have to push the button?
Let's
No,
see.
it just should power on right?
Let's see.
Once you plug it in. Right?
Nope. Again, this is just the layouts. Not only we get to the elevator, but you also get to take a look
This is what I
at
wanted
one
to
of
show
the
you
apartments
right here. This is called the Love Light.
in this building. You also get to take a look at Ian's apartment.
So you buy that light? And
This is apartment number 405.
Bulb.
Sean, look at that.
Look at this.
The bulb comes with that?
No, the bulb. It's called a smart bulb. The bulb is bought separately.
Right.
The lamp is. I just got that at Target, but I bought the bulb at Best Buy.
Right, but I'm saying you buy the bulb and you download the app.
Yeah. It's a smart bulb, so it's got an IP address and everything.
Where do you buy the bulb?
At Best Buy, I got one for.
Samsung TV.
What's that for?
And Ian does have an Alexa, but it doesn't work right now.
60, 64, 65. Yeah,
Wonders come out, Bert. Huh? I do
It's
wonders.
cool. It's cool though
Very
because you can kind of you can control it by this. Alexa can control it too.
Oh,
But that's what I was trying to turn on. You can say Alexa lamp on, light off, 50%, 40%. You can tell it what color you want it to be. You can set it to go off at a certain, like in the morning, like it's in your bedroom, like you want it to slowly come on, like the sunrise. You can also do.
By the way, the commode on this toilet is Western. We're not going to flush it.
If someone's like knocking at the door or ringing the doorbell or something like that, you can not have a signal, but the light will flash, let you know that someone's here.
Oh, wow.
So some deaf people can have it too, you know.
Oh, yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah, and you can just. And I can do it. It's wirelessly, so I can. Someone can be home here.
So yeah,
Oh, that's freak them out.
Yeah.
tell me in the comments what you think about this apartment.
All right, Sean. You want one more video of the elevator?
Yep.
I'm good.
Now we're gonna go back down the Otis Series 5,
Hopefully we don't run out of videotape here.
and that was just a brief tour of apartment 405.
It's actually the extended tour.
The extended one. It's the extended tour.
Brief tour, you only get a view of the bathroom.
That's the extended tour of that was the extended tour of apartment 405, and now we're gonna go back down the Otis Series 5.
Sean, so how do you know it's a Series 5?
Because of the fixtures, and
What was fixed?
the buttons in elevators are also known as fixtures.
Oh, fixtures. Oh. I see what you're saying.
So what looks different on a Series 5?
A Series 5, the buttons look more circular than a Series 1.
Okay.
What do the fours look like?
And the indicator looks different than a Series 1. A Series 1, the numbers.
Is there a Series 4? Series 3?
Um,
Series 2?
There's a Series 6 though.
So they might.
We're behind times here.
It's Series 6 at the Hampton Inn Tunnel Road in Asheville, North Carolina. It's Otis Series
Do we got
6.
time to go?
Want to go look at it?
What?
The Series 6.
There's another one?
No, I'm kidding. There's the pool right there, by the way.
I don't know if you go
The
swimming or
maximum.
not, but you.
No, I don't want to go swimming without my bathing suit.
I know, but I'm just saying.
Not an elevator. What are you trying to do?
And that'll be
Here
it.
we go naked. I don't know how they